In the last video, we added some logic to disable the submit button when the email or password fields are empty. However, at the moment, this logic is hard-coded inside our widget class in this method. And it will be better to move this inside a separate class where we have more control on what kind of validation we do. So what we're going to do now is to create a new file called validators.dart. And in here, I want to start by creating a new abstract class, and I'm going to call it StringValidator. This class is going to have just one method which returns a bool value. The method name will be isValid, and it will take one parameter which is a string value, like this. And then what I can do with this is to create a subclass. So I'm going to type in class non-empty string validator to implement string validator, like this. And then I can implement the isValid method. Inside the implementation, what I can do is just to return value dot is not empty, like this. So as you can see, the implementation of the isValid method is identical to the logic that we currently use to validate our form, and that is just to check that the value is not empty. But because now I have an abstract string validator class, then if I wanted, I could create separate classes to encode specific rules for email and password validation. So for now, we are just going to keep things simple and use non-empty string validator. Next, we need to figure out how we can use this new class from our email signing form. And one way to do this would be to inject the string validator class inside the constructor of our email signing form. However, in this case, there is a solution that is more elegant, and that requires the use of a feature of the Dart language known as a mixing. So let's see what this is in the next video.